2011 Audi A5 Quattro Turbo. Still got the stock converter up there somewhere beside the motor. Then what we did is 2.5 all the way back. Deleted the muffler, the resonators, and put a special resonated tip right there, something different. The resonation in it, the holes. Let you guys hear it in a minute. It's 2.5 all the way back. Hope you guys like it. It's gonna sound phenomenal, hopefully. 2.0 Quattro A5. Sounds good. What you guys hear on?
Like on the inside. So smooth.
Creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire.